Get ready to dive into the absolute asterisk best tech of 2025 asterisk. We've scoured the market, pushing every gadget to its limits, and these 5 incredible electronics are truly revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. Don't miss out on grabbing these cutting-edge innovations early. Find all the purchase links in the description below. Number 1. The Apple MacBook Air M3, a true marvel of portable power. Its M3 chip delivers mind-blowing performance and battery life, making it an absolute game-changer for students and professionals alike, a surprising leap in efficiency. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a pocket supercomputer. Its camera array captures details never thought possible, and the integrated AI features feel like something straight out of science fiction. Number 3. The Apple Watch Series 10 takes personal health tracking and smart connectivity to unprecedented levels. With advanced new sensors and a sleek design, it's not just a timepiece, but a vital health companion you never knew you needed. Number 4. Prepare for the ultimate gaming experience with the Sony PlayStation 5 Pro. Its enhanced graphics and lightning-fast loading times will immerse you in worlds of unparalleled detail, revealing secrets on screen you won't believe. Number 5. Rounding out our list is the Google Nest Hub Max 2, redefining smart home control. Its intuitive AI assistant and stunning display seamlessly integrate into your daily life, managing everything from schedules to smart appliances with surprising ease. This is the ultimate gadget list for tech enthusiasts in 2025.